My chain heavy, yeah, my chain heavy. My chain heavy, my chain too heavy. My chain heavy, yeah.
Then she gets out and all awkwardly walks away.
Oh my god. Play it back, do it again.
Oh, I gotta show you.
And she just leaves.
I gotta show you the other angle.
When was this?
4:20 today.
Oh my god, that was today?
Yep.
So there she goes. And boom!
Is there water in there too?
Oh yeah, it's cool.
She gets out. Like, look at that guy dying in the corner. He just saw her and fall. Where'd she go? Where does she go?
She goes here and talks and walks out. Pedro from housekeeping's like, "Are you all right?" She's like, "I'm just a little wet."
She goes in the store?
She stands there. I guess she's like, "Oh my god, what happened?"
Oh my god. Wow.
Pedro's looking at her like, "Really?"
You're soaked. She's soaking wet, right?
Yeah.
She's soaked right now and has to go out in the cold weather. I can't believe that happened.
Heavy, my chain too heavy. My chain heavy, yeah, my chain heavy. My chain heavy, my chain too heavy. They try to tell me my chain broke the levee.